Hey everybody, Bill Bradley, registered dietitian. Today I want to talk to you about losing weight. I personally have lost 50 pounds by eating the Mediterranean diet. And I've been able to not only lose the weight, but keep the weight off for over 10 years. And the reason that the Mediterranean diet is so good for weight loss is because not only is it a very healthy diet, not only does it have all the things in it that's really good for losing weight, but it's also delicious. So the biggest part of a successful weight loss diet is not just that you lose weight, but that you're able to keep the weight off. And so with a lot of these diets out there that are super restrictive, or they take out a food, like a whole food category, those type of diets are the kind of diets that you're not going to follow forever. So a lot of people will lose weight and then they end up gaining it back because they put the food back into their diet. With the Mediterranean diet, it's so delicious and healthy that you're going to keep eating this way. So today I'm going to be giving you a 3-day meal plan, and guess what? I'm also going to give you an extra day, so it's actually a 4-day meal plan. But before we do that, I just want to tell you a little bit about why the Mediterranean diet is so good for losing weight and keeping it off. So first of all, the Mediterranean diet has a lot of healthy fats in it, and it's actually considered a high-fat diet. So that might surprise a lot of you that you would actually eat fat to lose weight, but really the whole idea of a low-fat diet in order to lose weight is kind of old 1970s thinking. A lot of people during that time were eating low-fat or no-fat diets, and the surprising thing was that they were actually gaining weight. And that's because when you take fat out of your diet, you're going to add more carbohydrates. And there was a lot more processed carbohydrates, a lot more processed carbohydrate diet foods coming out. And so people ended up actually gaining weight and not losing weight. And so with the Mediterranean diet, it's a high-fat diet, but it's healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil and nuts and seeds. And so the great thing is that when you're eating a healthy, high-fat diet, you get full and you stop eating. Now, if you were to go to like McDonald's and have a Big Mac meal and add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to it, it's actually would make you gain weight. But if you're eating a healthy Mediterranean diet with lots and lots of olive oil, it fills you up and it helps you lose weight. So the first thing is it's a high-fat diet. The second reason that the Mediterranean diet is really good for weight loss is because it's packed with fruits and vegetables. And fruits and vegetables have lots of fiber in it, lots of moisture, lots of liquid, and these foods keep you hydrated and also will keep you full with the fiber. And so lots of fruits and vegetables, and the vegetables are often mixed in with the olive oil, which makes it super delicious. So even if you think you don't like vegetables, try vegetables cooked the Mediterranean way and you might be surprised and find out that you actually do love them. The third reason has to do with the fruits and vegetables, but it's also that people eat in the Mediterranean a large variety of fruits and vegetables and also a lot of fermented foods. And this combination creates a very healthy gut microbiome. And if you have a healthy gut microbiome, your metabolism is increased and it makes it easier to lose weight. It also will help with your weight loss hormones, which also will make it easy for weight loss. Another part of the Mediterranean diet is that you eat a lot of beans, and that could be hummus, it could be bean stew, just different ways of eating beans, but they eat them, if not every day, at least every other day. And beans are full of fiber and they're full of protein, they're low in calories, they help you digest slower so you stay full longer. So eating lots of beans is another reason why the Mediterranean diet is so good for weight loss. And now let's talk about the 3-day meal plan. Actually, it's a 4-day meal plan, but we're going to talk about 3 days here. And then when you get the meal plan as a PDF, all 4 days will be in there, including the bonus day. So let's go through day by day and look at what a typical Mediterranean diet meal plan for weight loss looks like. So breakfast on day 1 is a Greek omelet with zucchini and tomatoes. Now you may be surprised that there are eggs in the Mediterranean diet, but they definitely eat a lot of eggs there. And eggs are great for weight loss because they're high in protein, they have healthy fats, and they are very filling. And so when you add that in with the olive oil and the vegetables, you have like a perfect breakfast for weight loss. This is more likely going to fill you up and keep you full until lunchtime. Next up is lunch, and for lunch we're going to have an authentic Greek salad. Now, Greek salad has lots of vegetables, lots of color, feta cheese, extra virgin olive oil, and oregano, and either some kind of a vinegar or lemon juice. And this really is a very filling lunch, and if you want, you could have a little piece of bread with it. And I think you will find that that by itself is enough for lunch. If you want, you could also add some protein to it, but I find that the Greek salad on its own with the feta cheese is enough for me. And again, it's very filling. And for dinner, we're having sheet pan chicken with peppers and onions. Now, this is another meal that has a lot of color, and interestingly enough, they have shown that meals with a lot of color are actually helpful for weight loss, especially when the color comes from vegetables. For some reason, that helps with how satisfied you are, and it makes it less likely that you're going to overeat. So this meal, you have chicken, you got olive oil, herbs, and then you have the vegetables. Again, you might have some rice on the side or some pasta, but this meal is super delicious and very, very filling. If you're liking this video, don't forget to subscribe and make a comment below. All right, let's go to day 2. Breakfast on day 2 is a yogurt parfait. This has Greek yogurt in it, which is going to have a lot of probiotics. It's also going to have healthy fat. I usually tell people to have a full fat yogurt because that is going to help you stay full. And then also you're going to have almonds, fruit, and a little bit of honey and cinnamon drizzled on top, and it's super delicious. It's a great way to start the morning. What I like to say is that if you are trying to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, you want to try to have some of those fruits and vegetables in the morning. So for this meal, you're already having at least 2 servings of fruit. With the omelet from yesterday, you are getting 2 to 3 servings of vegetables first thing in the morning. So for lunch for day 2, we're having leftovers of the sheet pan chicken with peppers and onions from day 1. And the reason for this is to cut back on the amount of prep and cooking that you have to make. We always have leftovers from the day before for lunch the next day. And it makes it super easy, and it makes it so you have to cook a lot less. And for dinner, we're having a Moroccan white bean soup. Now, this meal is full of flavor. It has a nice broth. Stews and soups are always very good for losing weight, and this particular one is very, very good. It has olive oil, beans, vegetables, and fresh herbs. And fresh herbs are also really good for your digestion. Anything you can do to help improve your digestion is going to help you to lose weight. Okay, let's go to day 3. So for breakfast on day 3, we're going to have an avocado toast with wilted spinach and cherry tomatoes. Now, this by itself is a very filling meal because avocado has a lot of healthy fat in it, and that healthy fat is going to help fill you up. If you wanted to add a protein to it, you could put like a fried egg on top, or you could have some cheese with it. Any kind of a healthy protein is going to help you feel even more full until lunchtime. And for lunch, of course, we're going to have the leftover white bean stew. And if you wanted to have something else with that, again, you could have bread, you could have some rice if you had made that for the day before, just a little extra grain to help fill you up. One of the things you'll see with this way of eating is that we're eating less grains. It's not that we're cutting grains out altogether. It's not that we're saying that carbohydrates are really bad for you. But for a modified Mediterranean diet, we're eating less of the grains and more healthy fats and proteins and vegetables and beans. And for dinner on day 3, we're having a sheet pan salmon with asparagus, lemon, and dill. Now you'll see that I use a lot of sheet pan meals when I'm cooking in general, but especially when I'm doing a weight loss diet. And this is because I want it to be easy. I want to have as much of the meal as possible cooked on one pan so that I don't have to do a lot of extra work and a lot of extra cleaning. Now, a salmon is kind of a superstar of weight loss. It's full of omega-3s, it's full of protein, healthy fats. It's really, really good for you, very, very filling. And when you're eating it along with asparagus and lemon and dill, you basically have a full meal or close to a full meal. Again, you could have some kind of a grain with it if you want, but sometimes I'll just have this and I'll make extra asparagus, and this is enough of a meal for me. So this meal plan is just 3 days of our 10-week Mediterranean Diet weight loss program. You can get that with our Mediterranean Diet portal, which is a full year of all of our programs, our videos, meal plans, recipes, shopping lists, webinars, all kinds of great content for 1 year, and you can check that out below. The programs all begin on Monday, so if you sign up today, you could start the weight loss program on Monday, you could start our Mediterranean Way program on Monday, or our Mediterranean 30 program on Monday. And as I said before, this is not a 3-day meal plan, but a 4-day meal plan, because I gave you an extra day. So when you link below to get the meal plan PDF, you are actually going to get 4 days of meal plans. So I hope you enjoy these. Please try them out, and I hope that you are super successful with your weight loss journey. And as always, remember to live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.